Welcome to Bike Blasters. If you're into motorcycles, make sure to subscribe and hit that bell icon for the latest updates. Today, we're diving deep into the 2025 Kawasaki Vulcan S, a cruiser that blends modern styling, performance, and rider comfort like never before. Kawasaki has refined the Vulcan S with some key updates that make it an even more attractive choice for both new and experienced riders. The 2025 Vulcan S maintains its signature 649cc parallel twin engine, delivering smooth and responsive power. With a refined fuel injection system and improved throttle response, this bike ensures a thrilling yet controlled ride. Kawasaki has also tweaked the exhaust system for a deeper, more aggressive sound, giving it that classic cruiser feel with a modern edge. The 6-speed transmission remains precise, allowing seamless shifting whether you're cruising the highway or navigating city streets. A major highlight of the 2025 model is the updated ergonomics. Kawasaki's Ergo Fit system now offers even more customization, allowing riders of different sizes to adjust the seat, foot pegs, and handlebars for maximum comfort. The redesigned seat provides better support for long rides, reducing fatigue and enhancing overall ride quality. With its lightweight frame and low seat height, the Vulcan S remains incredibly accessible for riders of all skill levels. In terms of technology, the new Vulcan S features a fully digital instrument cluster with a crisp, high-visibility display. Riders can now connect their smartphones via Bluetooth to access ride data and notifications on the go. The new LED lighting system improves visibility, ensuring safer night rides while enhancing the bike's sleek, aggressive look. Kawasaki has also introduced new color schemes and premium finishes, making the 2025 Vulcan S stand out even more on the road. Handling and suspension have been slightly refined for better stability and control. The updated front and rear suspension provide a smoother ride over uneven surfaces, while the lightweight chassis ensures easy maneuverability. The Vulcan S continues to offer ABS as an option, giving riders additional confidence when braking in challenging conditions. Paired with the reliable braking system, this cruiser offers a well-balanced mix of power and safety. If you're looking for a stylish, performance-oriented cruiser that adapts to your riding style, the 2025 Kawasaki Vulcan S is a solid choice. With its updated features, enhanced comfort, and timeless design, it remains a top contender in the midsize cruiser category. Let us know in the comments what you think about the new Vulcan S. Would you ride one? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Bike Blasters for more in-depth motorcycle reviews. Ride safe and see you in the next video.